Come on in. How you doing, sir? My name is Joe Specific from Specific Insurance, and your name is?
My name is Al. Al, think about it.
I like that.
I'm only kidding. It's Al Jones.
Okay, Al, we'll sit down and have a seat and tell me why you're here.
All right. Well, I'm just thinking about some insurance. My wife told me to come check you out. She recommended you.
Came to the right place.
All right. She gave me some things to look at. I don't know if you got...
Well, we have all kinds of interesting policies, and maybe if I just show you some things, you can look it over, and we can decide what's best for you. A lot of people are actually asking about space junk protection, you know, with all the stuff falling from outer space and everything, and I almost got hit by a lead pipe the other day.
Space junk?
It's really a problem.
Let me tell you something about space junk.
Yeah?
My nephew, his house got hit by space junk.
Yeah. Well,
and
there you go.
No, but you don't understand.
Can I run some figures by you?
He put that space junk on eBay. Whatever you do with that, he got $3.5 million. I'll never be that lucky. I'll never get hit by space junk. I don't need it. Next one.
Well, are you sure? Because it looks like it could be quite a lucrative business.
No, it won't happen to me.
Okay.
Never.
We'll bypass that one, but something on a more practical level, we have...
Yes, that's what I want, practicality.
The Bouillon Booster is a very, very updated
booster.
Insurance, because there's been many times I've been to restaurants, and I get a cup of soup, it's flat tasting, it needs more bouillon. They don't give it to you. They want to charge you extra.
Exactly.
I want to be covered for this stuff. I'm like you. I like to eat good. And
I
like to taste
love
what I'm eating.
soup with a lot of bouillon in it. But unfortunately, and you didn't know this, so bad news for you, but I'm the secretary treasurer of the local bouillon club. And as an officer, I am required to carry bouillon with me at all times, so it's never a problem. I'm always covered.
Okay, because it even covers for the soup you make at home.
That's okay. I got plenty of bouillon, so please
okay, well,
tell me what else you
have. I guess
have.
we can move on because there's lots of things. I'm sure you can find something here that will interest you. Scam insurance is our best seller.
Oh, that sounds good.
This insurance will cover you for any type of scam imaginable. You know,
any type of scam?
If you're out your life savings, or if you lose the money from your child's piggy bank or something, buying these, some kind of product and you can't get reimbursed. Scam insurance is what you need, because he'll reimburse you for all of this stuff, and it's very reasonably priced.
Reasonably, that's what I like. What is the reasonable price?
Well, $13.99 a month. You can't beat that.
$13.99 a month. That's pretty reasonable.
I'm sorry, sir. $1,399. But
$1,399.
It will cover you for any kind of major scam. Up to the age of 99.9 and up to $99,999.99. So where are you going to find a deal like that?
If I get this insurance, I'm going to have to get scam insurance for this. Then I'll be paying twice as much. Get out of here.
You are a funny guy.
Go to the next one.
Okay, well.
Give me something I want.
Something related to scam insurance is deductible insurance. You know, where you have deductibles in various policies.
Everything's got a deductible.
Really annoying, right? $40 here, $20 there. Now, I'm like you. I don't want to pay these things all the time.
No, who does?
This deductible insurance will pay it for you. All your deductibles will go on this.
All right, I got one question, though, with this.
Yeah.
Does this policy have its own deductible?
Well, to tell you the truth, it does. But it's a very low cost.
What's the low cost?
It's only $250 for one-time payment. And after you pay that, then that deductible is covered, but that deductible is not covered on this policy. You'd have
on.
You'd have to buy a separate
I don't
policy
want it.
to cover.
I need scam insurance for that one, too, I think. So keep going.
Okay, well, since they were talking about, everyone's talking about medical things, and insurance costs and everything is getting so expensive, I would recommend someone of your age, and probably mine too, vein replacement coverage.
Vein replacement?
This will cover any vein in your body up to 6 feet long.
Vein replacement?
3 millimeters thick.
What, have you been reading some kind of crazy science fiction?
No, this is a real thing, and I know it's true because I read it in the National Enquirer.
Vein replacement.
And it's made with the new Stretchoflex technology.
You know what?
So these veins won't snap,
listen,
crackle, or pop.
I went to my doctor recently, and I'm pretty sure, even though I really wasn't paying that much attention, I only have arteries. I don't have any veins, so this is not anything for me.
Are you sure?
I have to get back to you on that, but I'm not interested anyway. What else do you have?
Okay, well, since summer's starting to come around, we have a very interesting ant replenishment insurance. Now, you work in a garden, don't you?
Well, I have a garden. I enjoy working in the garden. My wife enjoys working in the garden.
Well, you know that you must accidentally step on ants once in a while.
Step on ants?
Well, sure, like they're everywhere. They're hard workers in your garden. And I don't like to kill things, and I'm sure you don't either. And look how many ants that you accidentally step on in the course of a 6-hour day in your garden. This insurance will cover we'll replace 100 ants a day in your garden. And again, at a very reasonable cost.
First of all, I don't think, from past experience with you, I don't think it's going to be that reasonable. And second of all, we have no ants in our garden. They're all in our kitchen. If you can get them out of the kitchen into the garden, that'd be great. But we spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars with exterminators trying to get that. I don't think this is...
We're starting to underwrite a policy right now about ant kitchen coverage. But if you want to think about it further, the ant replenishment insurance only goes up to March.
Only March? No, I want full year coverage and nothing at all. And I basically want nothing at all. What else? Do you really have anything here, seriously, that's going to really apply to my life? That's not going to like cost me an arm and a leg?
Well, I really thought that my policies are reasonable, but the one that everybody's buying, without exception, and I've been in this business for 37 and a half years, is clothes rip insurance. Because I'm always clothes on things. You know, you walk out the door, your elbow gets caught in a nail, you rip a good suit of clothes, and there you go. You're out, $250 on a good Levi Brothers suit.
You know what?
You're a well-dressed man. Can't you see yourself, being insured and have a little bit of peace of mind?
I must say I am very well dressed, but these clothes I bought in 1975. It's not a thread out of place. I'm very careful with my clothing. I have 3 pairs of pants, 2 shirts, not a tear, not a thread out of place.
Well, can I at least give you my forms here, and you can take them home and think about it?
No, I don't think I'm going to need any of these forms. So, you know what? I think I'm just going to get out of here. Get out of here.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Oh, no. My pants.
You should have had insurance.
Yeah, you're right. Hold on.